Okay, so just a quick video. I've not posted for a few days and I apologise. There's been a hell of a lot going on. You'll know that the weekend just gone was the NEC, which was fantastic. However, it went to shit for me because, you know, I was ill on the Saturday, so I had to come home early. So I've not got a lot of footage from there. I've only got pictures. So since then, guys, it's just been a roller coaster of horribleness. So we've had 2 bereavements, one on Monday, one yesterday. So I haven't posted, and I just wanted to add today that although I am in the middle of a shitstorm, this lovely lady today has come in and she has literally had me belly laughing. She's wonderful, and her reason for a visit is to see if I will change card provider. Now, I'll be honest, when she first came in, it was a case of, no, I'm busy and I'm not in the mood. However, this lovely lady has just made my day, and I wanted to introduce her. Before I do, her card machine is this lovely thing here. Now, it's probably going to be the wrong way around because I've got no one to film for me at the moment because we are so busy. However, wrong way round, spelt DoJo. Now, sorry guys, but for me, that is DoJo. Now, that is sold. I am sold. So anybody wanting my services, and I'm talking in the automotive trade here, anybody wanting my services, then DoJo. So this wonderful lady here is Zoe, and I am happy to subscribe to
DoJo.
DoJo is the new name. So I just wanted to say thank you, Zoe.
Thank you.
You're wonderful. You have brightened my week, and I cannot wait to do business and come and DoJo. Thanks, guys. Next to mine. Steady on. Yep. So, investigation as to the horrific noise. It's what we expected. Wheel bearing failure. Go for it, John. And side to side. That wheel is ready to come off, guys. So it's staying here at Jodie's hospital. See you soon.